Hey everybody. So this is our ASIN Plus tool, and this is what you can use to find your competitors' keywords, what keywords they're actually using to drive sales for their product. So this is where it is right here. It's located on our new awesome toolbar, side toolbar here under under A plus, under the A plus button. So go ahead and click that. I already did that, and it's going to open this up. Type in the ASIN or your competitor's ASIN that you want to go ahead and kind of peek behind the curtain, see what they're doing, see what kind of keywords they're driving their sales from. Go ahead and click the magnifying glass to search. And for example, here, if I was selling a barbecue grill cover, I think this is one of the top competitors, but say, for example, this is your number one competitor and you're selling barbecue grill covers, you can now see what keywords they're driving sales from: grill cover, barbecue, BBQ cover, covers, BBQ grill cover. So all of these keywords, these are kind of like go-to. You want to go ahead and download a CSV and maybe take the top 50 and put them into their own PPC campaign and try to drive some sales from there. Of course, doing bid management and all that down the road, making sure that they work. But this is just basically just trying to find out what keywords your competitor is actually ranking for. So, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You can go here and see what they're using to drive their sales, take them, put them into your listing, put them into your PPC campaigns. You can also filter by Amazon's choice here or not. Amazon's choice, by results, by reviews, and by search rank. So this is our awesome ASIN Plus tool. And if you guys have any other questions about this, please reach out to us at hello@merchantwords.com. Thanks, guys.